Alright, so this is the Two Brothers exhaust that I got for the VStrom. It's a used one. So it did have some cosmetic defects, like there is some paint peeling off here, but he gave me a good price. We agreed on a good one, so all good. So it came with the clamp, and well, actually this is the clamp that is going to connect this pipe to the exhaust of the bike. This is used to hold the muffler up, and there are some springs and some bushing, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing much to it. It's very lightweight. So all I'm going to do is remove this flange using this nut, then remove the holding bracket or the bolt, and this entire setup should come off. I'm expecting it to be a bit heavy because it's a OEM muffler. So once that's off, we'll get this installed, and it should be a very straightforward installation. So the neck pipe goes like here, like that, and this goes into the muffler, and it's held on by two springs. This is one spring to hold another bracket is here. So two brackets, two springs, and then hold the whole thing here. That will attach to the existing body like that. Alright, so that's all pretty much.